Hey guys, my name is AvengerBug12, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a asteroid dodge type game. So, as you can see here, we okay, and as you can see here, that was creepy. But as you can see here, we have to try to avoid all the asteroids. You can kind of see your score up at the top. It kind of tells you how much time you have played for, and that's your score. So, um, I'm just gonna show you a simple little tutorial on how to make this very addicting game. So, first off, if you want to make yourself this game, um, open up yourself a Google tab like I have just done. Now, type in Yo-Yo Games, okay, and then, I mean, forget about the space. Just Yo-Yo Games, and find the one that says Make 2D Games with Gamemaker. Now, let me just test my graphics here. Pretty good. Now, under Gamemaker, never mind. Just click the button that says Get Gamemaker. When I messed up this kind of in the first video. And when you come here, click on the one that says Free Download. And when you click that, it'll tell you to log into Yo-Yo Games and all that stuff. Just register and get yourself the free one and enjoy. So, yeah. Make sure you're on the advanced version, and then you'll be on the exact same one I'm on. So, first off, you're going to want to make yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sprites. Your player, this does not have to be centered. Make sure your origin of X is at 0 and your origin of Y is at 0. The next one is asteroid 1. I forgot to put the 1 there. Make sure it has an origin of 16 and a Y of 16. Next one is asteroid 2. And let me show you. So the player can be any size you want.
Save me.
The asteroid is 32 by 32. The asteroid 2 is 64 by 64. And asteroid 3 is 96 by 96. And make sure you press center for each of these. Then make yourself a start button. It can be whatever. I just did like a simple little play.
I'm watching.
And then do a SPR level 1. So, that's the thing. Next, open up your objects tab. Go to object underscore player. Give it the sprite of the player. And for left, make it so you start moving in a direction. It's this one. Start moving in a direction to the left at the speed of 7. Up, you'll do the same, except pointed at up. Right, you'll do the same, except pointed at right. And down, you'll do the same, except point it nowhere. No, I'm just kidding. Point it down. And for left, you're going to make it so you press the little thing in the middle so he moves nowhere and at the speed of 0. Do that for up, right, and down for key release. Now, here we have object asteroid, and I forgot to mention this, for each asteroid, make sure they have 7 duplicates of the same image. For each one of these, as you can see, I have 7. So make sure you have 7 duplicates of the same image. And then for this, you have it. So when the animation ends, it'll change in the instance of asteroid 2. When the animation of asteroid 2 ends, it'll change into the instance of asteroid 3. And asteroid 3 is the most complicated one. Animation end, it will destroy itself. And object player, it'll go to the previous room with a blend, aka your starting screen. Now, object spawner, you have to make it so it's a step event. Then do a chance. So with a chance of 700, 1 out of 700% chance that it will create the instance of an asteroid in its relative position. Now, with your background, just put in your background sprite. For the object, I accidentally wrote tart button instead of start button, but I think you know what that was supposed to be. And then when you do the left button, it will go to the next room with a blend. And object 1, when you do the left button, it'll go to the previous room, so the one behind, with a blend. And the score, this is the hardest one by far. It'll create the instance that it sets the score to 0. And step, here's the code. This is all the code you have to do. Effect underscore create underscore below bracket F underscore EF. Can you stop that?
Yeah.
EF underscore star, comma X, comma Y, comma 2, comma C underscore green. And then do another bracket, and the little thing at the end there is optional.
Can I do the outro?
No, I'm not done yet. Then you're gonna have a test chance with a 1 out of 1 that is gonna set the relative score to +1. And if you need to go back over that, go ahead. Now you're gonna create yourself 2 rooms. Room 1, which is going to be the start. Now what I did here is I placed down a couple asteroid spawners. That's why you see these asteroids, and a play button. Now the play button, when you click that, it brings you to the next room you make. And this is where you put in all your asteroids, your level 1, and then put in your little score. Now, whenever you click on score, it'll do a little question mark. But, I mean, that's all. So, yeah, that is how you create yourself in asteroid dodge game, asteroid dodge, I don't know how really to pronounce it, but an asteroid dodge game, as I'm going to show you one last time. And I don't know why it is my Australian score, because you might have saw this game in my previous video, my old Gamemaker games. It's my Australian score of 228. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's episode. I will see you in the next episode in GMK if you want to do the outro. You can do the outro now.